Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're practicing phrasal verbs with 15 quick questions. You'll have 10 seconds to choose the right answer, then see the full sentence. Let's get started. Is it A, take up, or B, put off? The correct answer is put off. We had to put off the meeting due to the storm. Is it A, take up, or B, give in? The correct answer is take up. I've recently decided to take up yoga to help with stress. Is it A, get over, or B, fall off? The correct answer is get over. It took her months to get over the flu. Is it A, gave in, or B, put up with? The correct answer is gave in. After arguing for hours, he finally gave in. Is it A, get over, or B, put up with? The correct answer is put up with. I don't know how she can put up with all that noise. Is it A, go back, or B, take up? The correct answer is go back. I left my keys at the cafe, so I had to go back and get them. Is it A, put off, or B, go through? The correct answer is go through. She had to go through a lot after the accident. Is it A, turn up, or B, break down? The correct answer is turn up. We didn't expect so many people to turn up at the party. Is it A, give up, or B, come back? The correct answer is give up. Don't give up, you're almost there. Is it A, turn up, or B, look into? The correct answer is look into. The manager promised to look into the complaint. Is it A, ran out of, or B, got over? The correct answer is ran out of. We need to stop at the store. We ran out of milk. Is it A, look after, or B, give up? The correct answer is look after. Can you look after my cat while I'm on vacation? Is it A, go through, or B, bring up? The correct answer is bring up. She didn't want to bring up politics during dinner. Is it A, put off, or B, set up? The correct answer is set up. They plan to set up a new website for their business. Is it A, catch up, or B, fall apart? The correct answer is catch up. I need to catch up on emails after my vacation. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And if you missed a few, don't worry. That's how you learn. Keep practicing and you'll get more comfortable with phrasal verbs in no time. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more fun English practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.